Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm let's download driver Canon. And this here you type here Canon this imageCLASS. This here for serial. You type here for the driver download, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website you click here. Okay, and this here for the website official, and the tag your operating system automatic, and my operating system for the Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh or the Windows Server or the Windows, and this here for the tag automatic operating system. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for match the operating system. This here for Linux version, and this here for Mac Macintosh version, and this here for the Windows version, and this here for the Windows Server version. And this video I'm need download driver for Windows 11 new version for the Windows. Click select here for the Windows 11, and this here for the driver for the Windows 11 support, and this here for the printer. Okay, and you click here, and if you need download, you click here for button download. You click here, this here for your the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, and this here for the instruction for uh this here for instruction setup for the install. Okay, if you need install driver, you turn on the power printer. Maybe this here don't. You turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC return USB cable printer, and please wait finish the for the load. If you finish the for the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, alert below description, or you search for by Google. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.